The motion came as a matter of urgent national importance. A motion alleging a constitutional breach by the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mohammed Bello.
The Act authorizes the FCT to establish an Inland Revenue Services to collect all forms of taxes and levies for the FCT. Worried that the Minister of FCT has signed a comprehensive agreement with the Federal Inland Revenue Service to collect taxes for the FCT in breach of the existing law.
The motion enjoyed the support of most lawmakers that contributed to the matter.
Abuja is considered as a state. Federal Inland Revenue Service is supposed to collect federal revenue only. So we have already passed a law and we should guide it jealously.
What I expect to happen is the Federal Inland Revenue Service engage the Federal Capital Internal Revenue Board and beef up their capacity through training.
The motion passed without a dissenting voice. Meanwhile, the lawmakers have also resolved to investigate the alleged misappropriation of pension funds by the Pension Transitional Arrangement Directorate. The sponsor of the motion says a lot of allegations have been received on the issue.
Concerns about allegations against the management of PITAT, bordering on misappropriation of pension funds, abuse of office, non-payment of the 3% harmonized arrears, short payment of non-payment or non-payment of monthly pensions.
Members were clearly displeased with the allegations and its implications.
Government is supposed to be the solution, creative solution to every problem. But I find it ironic that government is the problem.
People have even contributed, they've paid, but people now see working in the pension agencies as juicy agencies where they can work and make money. Some have hotels built in this Abuja, 10-story buildings, just because they are directors in PENCON or any other pension agency, or even officers at level 12. This is reprehensible, and we should all stand up to condemn it.
The House adopted the motion and has mandated the Committee on Pension to investigate the activities of the Directorate and determine its level of compliance with the Pension Reform Act 2014. The committee is expected to submit its report in 6 weeks' time. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.